Emma Corrin's body hair controversy, challenging beauty standards and embracing freedom. Emma Corrin, the talented star of Netflix hit series The Crown, recently made a bold statement by proudly showcasing their body hair on the cover of Harper's Bazaar for the magazine's June-July 2024 Freedom issue. As a non-binary individual who uses they/them pronouns, their decision to embrace their natural body hair sparked a conversation about beauty standards and societal expectations. While some critics focused on Corrin's visible armpit hair, others came to their defense, questioning the double standard and emphasizing the importance of personal choice. This article explores the controversy surrounding Emma Corrin's body hair, the reactions it elicited, and the broader implications for self-expression and acceptance. The controversy. In the Harper's Bazaar cover shoot, Emma Corrin confidently displayed their body hair, challenging conventional beauty standards. However, the visibility of their armpit hair drew the most attention and became a focal point for critics. Some individuals took to social media, urging Corrin to shave, citing hygiene as a reason. These comments sparked a larger conversation about societal expectations and the policing of personal grooming choices. It is important to note that the criticism centered around shaving preferences rather than focusing on the larger issue of human rights and individual autonomy. Defending personal choice. Amidst the criticism, many commenters rallied to Emma Corrin's defense, highlighting the double standard and questioning society's obsession with others' shaving preferences. These supporters emphasized the importance of personal choice and the right to self-expression. They argued that individuals should be free to embrace their natural bodies without fear of judgment or scrutiny. The controversy surrounding Emma Corrin's body hair serves as a powerful reminder of the need for acceptance and understanding of diverse beauty standards. Challenging beauty standards. Emma Corrin's decision to proudly display their body hair challenges the traditional beauty standards that have long dictated how individuals, particularly women, should present themselves. By embracing their natural body hair, Corrin is pushing back against societal norms and encouraging others to question the expectations placed upon them. This act of defiance serves as a reminder that beauty comes in many forms and that individuals should feel empowered to express themselves authentically, regardless of societal pressures. Corrin's confusion and attribution to fear. In an interview with Harper's Bazaar, Emma Corrin expressed confusion over why their choices regarding body hair were considered controversial. They attributed the negative reaction to fear, suggesting that society's discomfort with defying beauty standards stems from a fear of the unfamiliar. Corrin's insightful observation sheds light on the underlying issues at play and underscores the importance of challenging societal norms to promote inclusivity and acceptance. The power of representation. Emma Corrin's bold stance and refusal to conform to societal beauty standards have resonated with many individuals who feel marginalized or pressured to conform. By prominently featuring their body hair in a high-profile magazine spread, Corrin is using their platform to challenge the status quo and advocate for greater acceptance. Representation matters, and their actions serve as a powerful statement of self-acceptance and empowerment for individuals who may have felt unseen or invalidated. Looking ahead, Deadpool and Wolverine and beyond? Emma Corrin's career continues to flourish, with their upcoming role in the highly anticipated Deadpool and Wolverine movie generating excitement among fans. As they take on new projects and expand their influence, Corrin's commitment to authenticity and self-expression will undoubtedly continue to inspire and empower others. Their willingness to challenge societal norms and advocate for acceptance sets a powerful example for the industry and beyond. Emma Corrin's decision to proudly showcase their body hair on the cover of Harper's Bazaar sparked a conversation about beauty standards, personal choice, and self-expression. The controversy surrounding their visible armpit hair highlighted the double standard and societal expectations placed upon individuals, particularly women, when it comes to grooming choices. While critics focused on shaving preferences, many came to Corin's defense, emphasizing the importance of personal autonomy and challenging societal norms. Corin's bold statement serves as a powerful reminder that beauty comes in many forms and that individuals should feel empowered to embrace their authentic selves. As their career continues to thrive, Emma Corrin's commitment to self-acceptance and representation will undoubtedly leave a lasting impact on the industry and society as a whole.